Hi! I'm Ice and welcome to my channel. Ngayong araw papakita ko sa inyo kung paano makakuha ng copy ng inyong marriage certificate online. Kung wala kang oras pumila, walang problema dahil madali lang mag-apply online. Una, pumunta sa PSA Serbilis website at piliin ang document na nais nyong makuha. Ilagay ang marriage details, delivery details, at makikita nyo ang acknowledgement sa website at email. Amount due for one copy is 330 pesos, mas mahal kesa walk-in pero mas convenient rin. Ito ang mga available payment channels: Bayad Center, Paymaya, GCash, BDO at Union Bank. O maaari rin magbayad online gamit ang debit or credit card. Makakakuha kayo ng confirmation pagkatapos magbayad at matatanggap ang document after 4 to 6 working days between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And that's it for today's tutorial. Kung nakatulong itong video sa inyo, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next videos. Bye!